Do you like ice cream?
Yeah, I like ice cream. I like cake. I like vegetables. You know?
Yeah, I know vegetable.
You
I like
you
it.
like cook? I don't like cook. I do the clipping. I do the reading.
You don't like cook, but you can eat. You like it.
I like I like cook, but I like cook egg ham with margarine. It's my favorite.
It's your favorite dish?
Yes. Give me gift. Please give me gift to cash out and my bank account.
Give me your bank account. I will transfer money. Okay. Do you like Bangladeshi people?
Do you like my pretty face?
Yeah, I like. You are very beautiful.
You can talk to my brother.
Sure.
My
Why
brother
not?
is good in English.
Yo,
My
friend.
brother.
Hey brother, how are
Yeah.
you?
You and my brother looks alike very much. You see?
Yeah, I see.
Oh, my brother.
How are you?
My mother is half India and my father is half Filipino. That's why my brother half
Half Philippine?
look,
Half
my
Indian.
brother looks you.
Your brother half
Yeah?
Indian.
Yeah. This is my brother.
Really?
Looks you
He
look
look
like you.
like
That's
Indian.
right?
And Indian and Bangladesh similar.
Yeah.
Almost same.
Yeah.
And this is my father.
Mukhang tata kayo eh.
Mother.
And where is your mother?
Brother.
My mother is sleeping already. That's why my mother and father here.
Okay. And
This
what
is
did
my
you do,
brother.
your brother? You are a student or you?
I don't ask too much if you don't send gifts, okay?
Mas talking no.
Because my personal info is our privacy. Don't ask too much.
Okay, my bad, my bad.
Hey, Brad.
Yes, brother, how are you? You told me.
Yeah, I'm good. I sent money, but my alarm is not.
You drinking
My
alcohol?
drink is not allowed. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Who is brand?